Hi friend, so here today I'm going to show you how you can change your fingerprint device battery which can keep your date and time running properly. If your device also facing the issue when you shut down the device or maybe power off, the date and time become the factory date and time. So here is the solution. You can change the battery easily. You just have to take the device and open this 4 screw from the device. So I open now. Lift this plastic panel, back panel from the device. Easy. So this become separate. There is no wire, nothing. All the screw you can put at the side there. And now our device. So this is a fingerprint scanner. This is a wire to fingerprint scanner. Just move this wire to the side from here. So here is the battery. You just have to pop up this small battery. So very gently you can pop up this small battery. Okay, so here is our battery which is already die. Now here's the battery CR1220 for UF100. You can buy from any hardware store or electronic store. So just tap in and push gently the side metal, so your battery will be placed in to the device. So that's it. Then after this we just put back our plastic cover. Now gently screw all the screw from to the back panel. So now we screw back one and second, 3, 4. So now all the screw is done. Now this device operates with the 5 volt. So we have the power adapter here. I show you, this is the power adapter giving me 5.4 means 5 volt. So we plug in, let's boot the device. Okay, our device is booted up. Now you see the factory date there. So I log in to the admin and we set the date and time. You can go to the system and date and time, then you can set any date and time from here. I'm setting here the current date and time, 24 January 29. That's my current date and time. Now time 23:59, 23:13 and the time. This is the time. Here date format up to you. Now this is the time. Now we off this device and on again. The time should not run. So this is how you can change your fingerprint device battery. If your devices keep changing the time when the device is shut down or off, it's keep changing the time, just replace this battery so your device will be okay to go. So date and time will run correct. So thanks for watching. If you gain any knowledge, subscribe the channel and like the video. Thanks for watching.